Hi everybody, and welcome to another dance tutorial of Starseed School of Dance. Today we're going to share with you how to dance the natural basic movement in Samba and some tips for technique improvement. Enjoy! Action used for leader. Forward step. Foot close with part weight. Weight transfer in place. Backward step. Foot close with part weight. Weight transfer in place. Action used for follower. Backward step. Foot close with part weight. Weight transfer in place. Forward step. Foot close with part weight. Weight transfer in place. Foot position for leader. Right foot forward. Left foot close to right foot. Right foot in place. Left foot back. Right foot close to left foot. Left foot in place. Foot position for follower. Left foot back. Right foot close to left foot. Left foot in place. Right foot forward. Left foot close to right foot. Right foot in place. Footwork for leader. Ball flat. Ball. Ball flat. Ball flat. Ball. Ball flat. Footwork for follower. Ball flat. Ball. Ball flat. Ball flat. Ball. Ball flat. Timing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tips and notes. Gradual turn to right up to 1/4 can be made over steps 1 to 6, and a close hold is maintained throughout. Also, it can be commenced and finished in any standard alignment. We could use only the first 3 steps of the figure in order to finish with the weight on the right foot and to proceed to any other figure that starts with the left foot in close hold. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to be in touch with all of our videos coming up. And check out our playlist with dance board remixes for your practices. See you at the next one.